recurring payments are one of the awesome ways that you can grow your business and have financial security. So if you can think of any ways to add a subscription to some aspect of your business, this is one of the easiest ways to do it, and that's through PayPal. Now you can do fancy subscriptions through like Stripe.com and other things, but PayPal actually has a free subscription button feature that a lot of people don't know about. So if you have PayPal, it's really easy to set this up. All you have to do is click this tools button, go to all tools right here, and you have tons of different options here, but you're going to want to click the recurring payments. Click open, and this is where you can create a subscription button. So I'll click create a subscription button right here on the right. And from here, you can choose a button type. You can say, hey, these are donations. If you want to collect monthly donations, you can do buy now, shopping cart, subscriptions, automatic billing, installment. I usually do subscriptions, and then you just name the subscription right here. So maybe it's like my inner circle club, whatever you want to call it. Maybe it's like your loyal buyers club, or you have something where you're going to give some value to people every single month, or they're subscribing to something private that's not accessible by anyone else except for subscribers. You can set the currency here, and then you can customize your button. This is what the button's going to look like right here. You can do a drop down menu, so you have these different options. So maybe it's like tier 1, tier 2, and then you can put the amount right here: $20 a month, $40 a month, $60 a month. You can give people all these different options, and then they're going to be able to click the amount right there. You can say monthly, weekly, daily, yearly, all these different options. Or maybe option 1 is monthly, and this one's annually, and maybe you make the annually one a little bit more affordable, so they get a deal if they pay up front per year. You can add another drop down menu right here. You can add a text field if you need some information from them. You can also customize the text and appearance right here. So you can do a smaller button, you can display credit card logos, you can change it to buy now, or you can even use your own button image, which is super cool. So if you want branded for your own website. You can also have PayPal create usernames and passwords for customers, which is really cool if you have like a membership site of some sort. And then as far as billing cycle, you can say, hey, I want this to be 6 months long, or you can have it set to any amount of months, or you can just have it set to never. So then they only cancel this monthly payment when they email you and want to cancel it. You can also offer a trial period. So you can say, hey, it's only $1 and you get 1 month free. Then after that, it starts charging you for the full amount. You can use your primary PayPal, or you can use a secure merchant account ID. I think that's something you have to set up. I usually do that top one, but it doesn't really matter. Number 2, you can track inventory, track profit and losses. This is more intense. I usually don't do any of those things. Step 3, do you need your customer shipping address? So maybe it's like a monthly thing where you're sending them something in the mail. Then you're going to want to hit yes. You can also take them to a certain URL when they cancel, or take them to a certain URL when they finish. So if they get halfway through and they cancel, you can take them to a page that's helping them not cancel. Or when they finish, you can take them to a page that's like, thank you so much, here's your next steps. And then lastly, you got some advanced variables, which I wouldn't mess with, but after that, you just click create button, and I don't think I filled out all the information. Oh, I did. Okay, cool. So it's going to let me see it. So what you're going to want to do here is copy this code and put it on your website, or a really cool thing is you can actually send this button via email. I think I have to go edit this button because I made mine too intense because it has this drop down. But if you're doing just like a simple button, I'm going to go back and show you what this looks like. Go up to the top here. Let's get rid of the drop down. Save changes. So you can just embed that code right on your website, and people can click it and sign up, and it connects right to your PayPal account. Or you can just email it, which is typically what I do. If it's just a quick, hey, I have this thing, if you want to sign up, here's the button. Oh, it's probably this trial period. let's see. I need an item name. $1,000, $10,000 every month. Save changes. So if it's a simple button, you can click this email and it'll just give you a link, and you can literally paste this link in any email and people can click it and it'll take them to a page where they can subscribe. So yeah, this is a really easy way to think outside the box and add some sort of subscription model to your business that produces income that is reliable and you can count on every single month. So think about how can you offer a product or service to your current customers that gives them value every single month that they will pay every single month for. Even if it's $5, $10, that is like recurring income that adds up over time. So think about how you can do this in your business and go for it. Make it on PayPal.